Meet the Professional Lighting Kit, our most popular lighting kit to date that comes included with 2 LumeCube 2.0s, every gel, diffuser, and modifier that we make to help you create dynamic lighting effects right out of the box. Let's dive into the accessories. So on top we have 2 diffusion bulbs. These are really good for diffusing, softening your light, and creating a wider beam angle. The LumeCube 2.0 has about an 80-degree beam angle. This will take it to about 160 degrees, so more of a floodlight. Really good for shooting people or vlogging, things like that, where softer light is really important. Next, we have our CTO Warming Gels. So inside this kit comes included with 4 warming gels. We have 2 light warming gels and 2 warm ones. This allows you to adjust the color temperature of your LumeCube 2.0. Next, we have 2 Honeycomb Grids, really good for directing your light towards your subject. Next, we have the RGBY color pack. We have blue, green, red, and yellow. Really fun to play around with these and add some color to your shots. Next, we have our white diffusers. It comes included with 2 light diffusers and 2 heavy diffusers to give off a softer look on your LumeCube 2.0. And now we move into our shaping accessories. So it comes with 2 snoots. Really good for creating cylindrical lighting effects, spotlight effects. These are super fun to play around with, great for product photography. Then we have our barn doors. Also great for shaping the light, whether you want to create squares or rectangular shapes or even lines of light on your subject. A lot of people use these for portraiture, macro photography, things of that nature. Last but not least, we have our 2 LumeCube 2.0s. So in order to mount all these accessories to the LumeCube 2.0, you will need the modification frame, which 2 of them come included in the Pro Lighting Kit. To mount accessories to the light, you simply put this over the front lens of the LumeCube, and then now you can magnetically attach all of these gels, diffusers, and accessories to it, and they're all stackable. So as long as the LumeCube logo is on top and facing away from the light, you can align the next diffuser like that, and they will clip on like so. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on the Professional Lighting Kit or any other LumeCube products, please contact support@lumecube.com and we'd be happy to help.